on this beautiful, not winter yet, Thursday morning. This is what I wake up to. Major snowstorm we're having here. Just by the looks of it, I'm saying we're over approximately 2.5 feet. So today I'm gonna show you how we have at it over here in the upstate New York region. Okay, hope you enjoy the video. Sit back and relax. I'm gonna break out my tape measure. As you can see, we got 1 foot here, 2 foot here, 3 foot here. We're looking at 32 inches so far. It ain't stopping for another 2 to 3 hours. So we're gonna have some fun here today. In my previous video, I showed you me prepping this. Now I'm gonna show you how I wreck snow with this right here. Got my tanks ready to go. We're gonna have at it, okay? Tweedledee and Tweedledum. That's it for about now. So they plow the streets one time so I could get out with the Jeep, go get some gasoline, fill it up, and go at it again. If you like this type of video, as I do some therapeutic snow blowing, let me know in the comments below. Take care, fellas. Hope you enjoyed. Peace. Got my tape measure out. It's nighttime. I should give you another reading. We're looking 34 inches, 34 inches total. Just under 3 feet of snow.